Hello everyone, my name is Parvinder Singh and I am a student of ACTS Auckland College of Tertiary Studies, and before 2 days we are starting this course measurement and cost estimation for small building, and today I am representing this topic like that. Develop a schedule of quantities for selected trades using appropriate software. You can see the diagram. We are discussing this topic like that, setting up an Excel spreadsheet for construction measurement and costing, and second topic is measurement and quantification of construction elements, and third topic is abstracting quantities, and fourth topic is calculation of costs, and fifth topic is preparation of the schedule of quantities, and last is conclusion. First we are discussing the introduction. Developing a schedule of quantities (SOQ) is a critical step in construction project management, providing a detailed and itemized breakdown of materials, labor and associated costs for specific trades within the project. This comprehensive document serves as a fundamental tool for accurate cost estimation, tendering and budget management. Utilizing specified software such as Costex, Bluebeam, Review or Autodesk, quantity takeoff ensures precision and efficiency in the quantification process. These tools facilitate the extraction of quantities from digital driving and BIM models, automate calculations and generate standardized reports, thereby enhancing the accuracy and consistency of SEQ. The use of appropriate software not only streamlines the qualification process but also enables seamless collaboration among project stakeholders, ultimately contributing to the successful delivery of the construction project. These are the main topics of SOQ. SOQ, the full form is Schedule of Quantities, and explaining about that, a complete overview of the amounts needed for the various project components is provided in this section. And second is TDS. The full form is Standard Data Sheet. All of the project information and precise dimensions required for tendering are included in this page. And third is abstract. Abstract quantities like a reduced table that includes all of the measurements and total amounts. And fourth is bar schedule. Bar schedule like complete information on the steel reinforcement bars that were used in the project. And fourth is rate build up. Rate build up, this section of the spreadsheet measures the overall cost by analyzing the cost components such as labor, materials and overheads. And the next slide is measurement and quantification. Foundation. Ground clearance. Ground clearance is measured 1 meter away from the center line of the perimeter wall. This you can see the diagram: 2 meter, 5.8 meter, 6 meter and 3 meter and 1.8 meter. And you can see the diagram: ground clearance 11.80, 5.80, 68.44 and 9.80 to 19.6, 3.80, 3 and 11.4 and 99.44 and m square. Next slide. Excavation for footings. Earthworks involve specific measurements for the excavations of foundations. These measurements are critical for ensuring the foundation is properly prepared. You can see the diagram: paid foundation, ground, slab, layout of building. See section 2.2. Evacuation. Excavation for footings 5 number 1, 1, 10, 1.30, 13 and M square. 3 is concrete measurements. Correct measurements will be required during concrete work to guarantee structural integrity. Protecting the structural quality and safety requires precise measurements of the concrete. And the concrete, you can see the diagram. First one, paid foundation and ground slab, layout of buildings. See section 2.2. And second is ground beam and ground slab, layout of building. A section PP. Concrete 1 for footings. And second is foundation wall height, and third is foundation beam calculation. You can see that. And fourth is formwork measurements. Formwork is used to shape the concrete and hold it in place until it sets specific details. The foundational plans serve as the basis for the construction, calculation and measurements. As an concrete constructions to have the necessary shape and stability, proper formwork is essential. You can see the diagram. Formwork 10, 4, 1 column footings 30, 12 M square. You can see the next slide. Abstract. Abstract quantities involves summarizing the measurements and quantities for different sections to facilitate cost estimation and planning. You can see the description: unit and quantity. Earthwork 1.1 ground clearance 1 meter, length from the center line M square 9 and quantity 19.44. 1.2 excavation trench and footing excavation M square 18.44. and third excavation slabs M square 10.66. and fourth is disposal M square 21.65. and fifth is backfilling M square 7.45. and next slide is calculation of costs. Material cost. The first one is based on unit rates for the required materials, and second is labor cost. Labor cost for laborers working 10 hours each at $25 per hour, and plant cost is excavator for 1 day at $35 per hour. And fourth is overheads and profit, calculated at 10% of the total cost. And total cost calculation: material plus labor plus plant plus overhead profit. And fourth is wastage, 5% of material. Accurate cost calculations are essential for budget planning and project excavations. Next slide. Calculation of costs. Description: unit, quantity, rate, material, wastage, labor, plant, dry cost, overhead. Remark: the substructure. Unit rate: earthwork 5% wastage and 25 labor, and plant 35, and overhead 10%. For labor 10 hours, excavator 1 day. 1.1 ground clearance 1 meter length from the center line M square 100, and rate is $1,408, and material 0, and labor 1,000, and plant 280, and dry cost 1,280, and overhead 128, and remarks 100 meters square clearance, and ground clearance M square 14.8. The next slide is prepare of SEQ. SOQ, the full form is schedule of quantities. includes detailed entires for various construction activities. The SOQs is a critical document for contractors to prepare accurate bids and for clients to understand the project costs. The first one is earthwork. Earthwork contractor has to be clearance the ground 1 meter away from the grids by removing 150 meter topsoil layer from the existing ground surface, not limited to remove trees, roots, debris and other disturbance and necessities. And 1.1 ground clearance 1 meter length from the center line M square unit and quantity 19.44 and rate $14 8 cent and amount is 1412. And last one is conclusion. We have covered the basic concepts of measuring and estimating costs for small buildings throughout this session. We commenced by setting up an Excel spreadsheet and went over how to measure and quantity the various building segments, calculate prices, abstract quantities and concrete the schedule of quantities. We underline how usual precise measurement and in-depth cost analysis to the accomplishment of building projects successfully. Accurate measuring methods and through cost estimation contribute to keeping project schedules on track and preventing overspending on the budget. Thank you.
Wait with a round of applause. We have a few questions here. Please share with us major formats using by quantity surveys. Minimum three formats.
Formats?
Yes. What are the formats we are using in?
TDS.
TDS is one, correct?
SOQ.
SOQ, correct?
And abstract
sheet, yeah.
quantities.
What is the rebar schedule? Why you are preparing the rebar schedule?
Bar schedule?
Yeah, bar schedule.
Bar schedule like a steel reinforcement to the bar schedules that were used in the project.
Calculation.
Calculation in the project.
What's the abstract sheet?
Abstract sheet, all of the project summarized measurement to the
Summarized of the
measurement.
What is TDS is to stand for?
TDS time dimensions.
Correct. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions for your presenter? No. Okay, great.